Hello everybody, this is Dr. Munaf, former Assistant General Manager of Air India. I was, during my Air India tenure, in the interview panel for selecting cabin crew and airport staff in about 12 interviews as a panel member. I have a doctorate, the thesis of which is aviation and tourism related. I'm an international travel consultant also, an avid international tourist who has visited many countries in almost all the continents. I would like to talk to you about the most awaited event of this year, the Dubai Expo 2020, Dubai Expo 2020. In fact, it was supposed to be conducted last year. As we all know, because of the COVID-19 situation, it got delayed, and it is being conducted now in Dubai from the 1st of October this year, and it will go on for a period of 6 months. It's a massive, mammoth event. I would like to inform you that a few years ago, a good more than 3 years ago, during my visit to Dubai, my friend who lives in Dubai showed me the constructions which are coming up, the preparations which are going on for the Dubai Expo 2020. So it took many years for them to complete the infrastructure development meant exclusively for this Expo 2020 in Dubai. Now that it is completed, they are geared to start it from the 1st of October this year. I'd like to share some important information about Expo 2020, which is being held in Dubai, United Arab Emirates. 200 pavilions are going to be there from 191 countries. Mind you, almost every country in the world is being represented in this Expo 2020. It's a humongous effort by the country. The credit should go to Sheikh Mohammed, His Excellency Sheikh Mohammed, the ruler of Dubai, for making this happen in such a humongous magnitude. 200 pavilions from 191 countries is a mind-boggling figure. When you enter the expo, you are going to see the pavilions of 191 countries, or so to say 200 pavilions are going to be there. So how are you going to complete it in one day? Let me talk about it in detail. Regarding the tickets for the expo, there's a good news, because for toddlers, kids and youth up to 17 years, the entry is free. No ticket to be purchased, the entry is free. Similarly, for senior citizens, 60 years and above, the entry is free. And for students, those who hold a valid photo student's ID card, the entry is free. So, up to the age of 17, entry is free. Senior citizens, 60 years and above, entry is free. If you are a student holding a valid student ID card, for you also the entry is free. Those who do not come under this category and in the age group from 18 to 59, I repeat, from 18 years up to 59 years, they have to buy tickets. Now, what are the ticket rates? let me explain that also to you. A single day ticket valid for 1 day costs 95 AED, which is the Dubai currency known as dirhams. 95 dirhams will work out to, in the case of Indian rupees, it is close to 2,100 rupees. So you have to shell out 2,100 rupees for a single day pass. If you want to visit more number of times on more number of days, there is a provision available. A multi-entry pass is also available, the validity of which is 30 days for 1 full month. Starting from the day you purchase, it is valid for 30 days, and the cost of this ticket, the multi-entry pass, is 195 dirhams, which works out to around 4,200 rupees. With this, you can visit any number of times for a period of 1 month. And of course, there is a 6-month valid pass also. Is meant for business people who would like to go there, meet like-minded people, for improving, developing the business, for networking and all that. That costs around 37,500 rupees, which is not meant for tourists as such. That pass, of course, is valid for the entire duration of 6 months, with some extra benefits like visits to the special enclosure meant for these premium members and all that, which we will not touch upon now in detail. So, senior citizens, entry free, up to 17 years, entry free, students with ID card, entry free. Those who do not come under these 3 categories, from the age of 18 to 59, you have to buy a ticket, either a single day pass or a multi-visit pass. And mind you, this expo is so huge, with 200 international pavilions. In 1 day, you won't be able to see everything. In fact, in 1 day, you'll be able to visit only a few countries. So ideally, you should buy a multi-entry pass and visit at least a couple of days to see the maximum. And what do you get there? In addition, like these 191 pavilions is from different countries, showcasing their culture, the tourism, everything under the sun. Because these countries would like to inform the visitors what they have in their country and how happy they will be to receive the tourists into their country. So they will go all out to make them happy, and what they are going to display will be the best from their country, from each country. In addition to the 200 pavilions from different countries, 60 different events will be held daily. Can you imagine? 60 live events in Expo 2020. And there will be 200 food and beverages or restaurants available in Expo 2020. So you have a fantastic choice for dining also. Live events, 60 per day, and 200 restaurants. So dining will be a masterclass experience in Expo 2020 for all the gourmet there. So make use of it, enjoy yourself. Thank you and take care.